Good morning students, hope you all are well. Today in this video we will do the worksheet of chapter number 5, forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas. As you know that we have completed the explanation of the chapter, so today I am explaining you the questions of the worksheet. So let's start. First question is fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First is matter occupies dash. Now we studied the properties of matter, that matter occupies space and has weight. So here it is asked matter occupies dash. So here it is will come matter occupies space. Second is dash flow from higher level to lower level. Now we have studied three forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas. So which of the matter flows from higher level to lower level? It is liquid. So in second it will come liquid. The liquid flows from higher level to lower level. Third is ice kept at room temperature will dash into water. आइस को जब रूम टेम्परेचर पे रखा रहता है तो वो वाटर में क्या होती है? मेल्ट होती है. सो हियर द आंसर विल कम आइस kept at room temperature will melts into water. Ice will melt at room temperature and convert it into water. Fourth is everything in the universe is made up of. Now we have studied that all the things that are surrounding us are matter and everything in this universe is made up of matter. So everything is made up of matter and we can categorize the things into solid, liquid and gas. Fifth is dash move freely from one place to another. Which of the following matter can move freely from one place to another? It is gas. Gases can move freely from one place to another, and we have studied one example also of this, that if your mother light incense stick at one room and you can smell the fragrance of that incense stick will spread across the house, across the whole house, and you can smell it in another room because gases can move freely from one place to another. Sixth is we breathe in air that contains a gas called, which gas do we breathe? Oxygen, and oxygen is present in the air. So we breathe in air that contains a gas called oxygen. Seventh is the shape of dash are fixed. किसकी shape fix होती है? Only solids. The shape of solids are fixed. The shape of liquids and gases are not fixed. तो fixed shape सिर्फ solids की ही होती हैं. Eighth is evaporation is a dash process of condensation. We have studied that evaporation and condensation are opposites to each other. So here we can write evaporation is a reverse process of condensation, because in evaporation what happens? The water changes into water vapor on heating, while in condensation the water vapor changes into water on cooling. So evaporation and condensation are the reverse process of each other. Now let's move to question number 2, which is true and false. Question number 2 is true and false. So first is a solid on heating changes into liquid. Solid heat होने के बाद liquid में change होता है. Yes, this is true because ice is a solid form of water. Ice solid है और जब वो heat होती है room temperature पे तो liquid में convert हो जाती है. So this is true. Second is empty glass has air in it. Empty glass में air present होती है. Yes, I have told you that even the glass which is not filled with water is kept. We cannot say that the glass is empty. बिकॉज एयर इज़ प्रेजेंट इन इट. कोई भी ग्लास में अगर पानी नहीं है और ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है तब भी वो ग्लास एम्प्टी नहीं है, खाली नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज़ फिल्ड विद एयर, उसमें एयर है. थर्ड इज कीपिंग वाटर इनटू फ्रीज़र कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर वेपर. वाटर को अगर हम फ्रीज़र में रखते हैं तो क्या वो वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट होता है? नो, इट इज़ फॉल्स. वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता. इनफैक्ट किस में कन्वर्ट होता है वाटर? आइज में कन्वर्ट होता है. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Fourth is matter exists in three forms. Yes, matter exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. So this is true. Fifth is one state of matter cannot be converted into another state. This is again false. We have studied the conversions. एक state दूसरे state में convert हो सकता है. So this is false. Sixth is gases have a fixed shape. Gases की fixed shape होती है? No. Here we have studied in 7th fill in the blanks that only the shape of solids are fixed. Liquid and gases की shape fixed नहीं होती है. So this is again false. So I hope the answers of this worksheets are clear to you. Easy worksheet hai. You have to do this worksheet in your copy. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a very nice day.